Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-LDMSK. Alright, so let's grab our scissors. Let's open it on up. Okay. Inside each box, you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box. And you'll also get two sets of instructions with this guy. But I'll show you the instructions in a second. First, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, so we'll start by giving you a 360 view. Okay, and then we will remove the plate for installation. First thing you're going to need to do is take off your dimmer knob here. Okay, so nice and easy. Second part is you're going to need to grab at the edges with your fingertips and then just push forward with your palm. Plate comes off nice and easy, just like that. At the side here are your screw holes. That's where you're going to put the provided screws through to fasten to your pattress box. Taking a look at the front here, this is your dimmer. Okay, so this is what's going to control the light. For brightness or dimness. Here we have a washer and lock nut to make sure that there is no movement of the dimmer. So it's nice and secured in there into our metal frame. Okay. Flipping it on over, you'll notice at the top here that it has the BS or British standards, which is good because you need that to be able to sell electrical products in the UK. So you can buy this with peace of mind here. You have your 3 terminal hole screws at the top there, our nice trendy logo on the back there, and all the details that you need to know about the dimmer as well. So like the voltage and the load and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so let's flip it back over. Just want to mention real quickly that these plates are interchangeable. So if you have purchased the Sky and you want to try a different color, or you simply just get bored of that color, you can purchase the plates online and then just put the new one over top of your existing dimmer. Okay, let's put that back on there. Line up the bottom, push that into place. So you hear that nice satisfying click. That's how you know it's in there. Okay, apply your knob back on there, and then that can just sit there for a second. Okay, now let's take a look at those instructional leaflets I was talking about. First, I'll show you the generic one that we put in every single product that we have. On the front side here is a whole bunch of different social media platforms. Head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow. That'd be greatly appreciated. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. And finally, in the bottom right-hand corner, we have a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, which will give you tips and tricks on how to install our products. Okay, and then let's just take a look at the instructional leaflet that comes specifically with our dimmers. So we have the single and the double dimmer up there at the top as the diagram. Has the measurements for the dimmers there as well on that diagram. Okay, opening it up tells you here how to properly dispose of it, how to properly wire. Flipping it on over, and then just tells you about the installation process, how to properly operate it, and what the voltage and the load is for it. Okay, so basically just hand that to your electrician. Okay, and finally, let's take a look at the packaging that it comes in. Okay, at the back here is our SKU code, the ART-LDM for the dimmer, and SK for Sky. On the center here is our barcode, and in the top left-hand corner is another QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, and you can see our full range of products there. Finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice a recycling symbol in the bottom right hand corner here, so you know that this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. Alright, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day, so please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on to stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below as what you'd like us to do next. Alright, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.